This partnership gives Dell Technologies a complete high added value solution for very specific applications where Kalray solution really stands out, such as artificial intelligence and HPC projects.
Kalray is a high-tech company headquartered in France and listed on the French market. With more than 200 employees, Kalray develops leading software and hardware solutions that accelerate data-centric workflows across three key domains. The first one is media entertainment, the second one is high-performance computing, and of course artificial intelligence. But more broadly, any market where there is a need to simplify and accelerate data. We innovate from two unique product lines. On one side, Kalray develops DPU, which are unique processors for data acceleration. And on the other side, Kalray offers Ngenea. Ngenea is a data acceleration platform that provides a global view of all data, unifies storage silos, improves workflow efficiency, and enables global collaboration. Kalray has been a pioneer in the development of data processing units, so these DPUs, that manage massive data flows and multiple workloads, minimizing bottlenecks and delivering high efficiency in data-intensive workloads. With the skyrocketing popularity of GPUs, our DPUs add complementarity processing power that is perfect for AI, for storage, and HPC workloads, in conjunction with traditional CPUs and GPUs. So the development of this type of processor requires large teams of designers working on complicated and very expensive tools. So each generation of processor takes several years of work. As a result, any solution that can speed up our development is crucial for us.
As Kalray and Dell were offering a high-performance data solution for its HPC and AI customers, we decided to evaluate if we could use Ngenea with Dell partnership for EDI use case too.
Everything starts with the Kalray DPU's integration into our servers. Our partnership recently took a strategic turn with the creation of a Kalray OOM engineered solution, which consists in an appliance. This means that Dell Technologies can resell internationally the overall Kalray solution. Kalray DPUs on our PowerEdge server based on Intel processor, and the Ngenea software layer installed and configured in our factory, coupled with our PowerScale storage solution according to the customer's needs.
For high-performance storage infrastructure, we deployed Dell PowerEdge servers based on Intel processors and equipped with Ngenea NGStore as Tier 0 to benefit from a global high-speed parallel file system, and obviously Dell PowerScale to store large volumes of data. Sitting on top of it all is Ngenea NGHub, a data management layer that gives the team and the users a unified global namespace and a policy-driven workflow automation to remove bottlenecks and optimize storage utilization. Each component integrates seamlessly with the suite of tools required for each stage of chip design and verification, including Cadence for backend and Siemens for verification.
Very concretely, the use of Ngenea solution allows us to divide by 3 the simulation time, to divide by 4 the compilation time of our C code and RTL code. It also enables much faster backups. Full system backups have gone to just 1 day, eliminating the previous challenge that could last more than a week. Last but not least, the stability of the Ngenea solutions allows us to launch tools over weeks without crash. This is the case for place and route tool of our processor in 4 nanometers. Overall, we estimate a reduction in development time leading to a cost optimization of the project by more than $2.5 million.
As chip design continues to increase in complexity and therefore cost, Ngenea has shown that it can save both time and money by accelerating the development time so companies like Kalray can bring innovations to market faster than ever. Our next big project is Dolomite, which we are currently working on. It will be our next generation of DPU. So thanks to Ngenea and the partnership with Dell, we hope to be able to move even faster and push the boundaries of what can be done in the world of data processing acceleration even further.